You've been eating all the right foods, right? Salads, quinoa, smoothies, everything you've been told is healthy. But what if your healthy diet is secretly sabotaging your health? It's a shocking idea, but the truth is, many people are unknowingly making diet choices that could do more harm than good. Let's dive into this and uncover the sneaky pitfalls of so-called healthy eating habits. The problem: healthy eating can be misleading. The health and wellness industry is full of well-meaning advice on eating for better health. But with so many foods labeled as healthy, it can be hard to know what's actually good for you. Unfortunately, many people unknowingly fall into the trap of thinking they're eating right when, in reality, they could be hurting their bodies in the process. So, what's the problem? How can a healthy diet actually backfire? The issue is that many healthy foods are packed with hidden sugars, inflammatory oils, or unnecessary additives that wreak havoc on your body in the long run. Let's take a look at some of the most common mistakes people make while trying to eat healthy. Mistake 1. Overloading on low-fat or fat-free foods. Low-fat or fat-free foods are often marketed as healthier alternatives. But the truth might surprise you. These foods can be loaded with added sugars and chemicals to make them taste better. The truth: fat is an essential nutrient that supports brain function, hormone production, and overall health. When you remove healthy fats, you might be unintentionally replacing them with unhealthy processed ingredients. The solution: don't be afraid of healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These are nutrient-dense foods that actually promote better health when consumed in moderation. Mistake 2. Going overboard on healthy snacks. Snack foods like granola bars, protein bars, and trail mix are often marketed as healthy, but they can pack a heavy calorie punch due to added sugars and preservatives. The truth: a lot of healthy snacks are anything but. Just because something has the word protein or natural on the packaging doesn't mean it's the healthiest choice. The solution: be mindful of the ingredients. If you're buying packaged snacks, always check for added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and processed oils. Make sure the snack offers nutritional value. Look for high fiber, quality protein, and healthy fats. Mistake 3. Eating too many whole grain foods. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are often considered health food staples. While they're certainly healthier than their refined counterparts, consuming too many grains can lead to digestive issues and spikes in blood sugar. The truth: whole grains are rich in carbohydrates, and consuming large amounts of them can cause inflammation, especially for those with sensitivity to gluten or high-carb diets. The solution: incorporate a variety of vegetables, legumes, and other protein-rich foods into your meals. Consider swapping grains for nutrient-dense options like leafy greens, cauliflower rice, or zucchini noodles for a change. Mistake 4. Relying too much on smoothies and juices. The truth: many smoothies and juices are packed with high-sugar fruits, and store-bought varieties can be loaded with hidden sugars and artificial additives. Even fruit can be high in sugar if consumed in excess. The solution: if you're making smoothies, choose low-glycemic fruits like berries and blend them with greens, nuts, or seeds for added fiber and protein. Avoid adding extra sweeteners, and opt for unsweetened almond milk or coconut water as your base. Mistake 5. Skipping meals for the sake of calorie cutting. A lot of people turn to intermittent fasting or skip meals in an attempt to cut calories. While this can be effective for some, skipping meals too often can cause your metabolism to slow down and negatively affect your energy levels. The truth: skipping meals can trigger your body's stress response, leading to increased cortisol levels, which could, in turn, contribute to weight gain, fatigue, and inflammation. The solution: if intermittent fasting works for you, great, but make sure you're eating nutrient-dense meals that fuel your body when you do eat. Try to listen to your body's natural hunger signals and avoid skipping meals as a means of restriction. Mistake 6. Being overzealous with supplements. Supplements have become a huge part of the wellness world, with people popping pills for everything from energy to immunity. However, relying too heavily on supplements to boost your health could actually be doing more harm than good. The truth: supplements can't replace a balanced, whole food diet. Plus, certain supplements can interact with medications or cause imbalances in the body when taken excessively. The solution: focus on getting nutrients from a well-rounded, whole food diet. Only take supplements if recommended by a healthcare provider, and make sure you're not exceeding the suggested doses. Mistake 7. Blindly trusting organic labels. Organic sounds like it should be the gold standard for healthy eating. But don't be fooled, just because something is labeled organic doesn't mean it's automatically healthy. The truth, organic foods can still be processed and high in calories, sugars, or unhealthy fats. It's essential to read labels and focus on overall nutritional value. The solution, organic produce, is often a better choice when it comes to reducing pesticide exposure. However, don't rely solely on organic labels. Pay attention to portion sizes and the overall nutrient profile of the product.